Every night at 9 p.m. New York time, the market prints its first 4-hour candle. By 1 a.m., that candle is usually swept. And here's the edge. When you drop down to the 1 minute chart, you will see a displacement and a fair value gap for entry. This is one of the simplest setups you can trade. It repeats daily, almost daily. It's mechanical and it gives a clear target. If you have struggled with for complicating smart money concept, this is the one routine you can rely on to catch moves consistently. After the 9 p.m. 4-hour candle, the next 4-hour candle that opens, what we are looking for is something like this. Price goes lower. It takes, for example, the 9 p.m. candle low. Then price goes up to take out the 9 p.m. candle high. So it would be something like this, leaving behind a wick, as you can see. After the 1 a.m. 4-hour candle opens and takes liquidity, what we will do is simply go to 1 minute and look for its displacement to confirm price is actually reversing, and price usually leaves behind a fair value gap. That's where we can enter easily. But first, let me show you what we are looking for as a displacement. Let's say price is taking the 9 p.m. candle low. When the candle opens, it will wick. Then it will give you something like this. You will find simply on 1 minute a fair value gap around here, and you can set limit order like this. Two ways you can target take profit. You can either target the 50% of the candle like this, or target the high, because the high and the low, as we know, is liquidity. Price took the 9 p.m. candle low. Now price is going up in a structured way to take out the 9 p.m. candle high. It is as simple as that. Let me show you an example. We will mark the high and the low of 9 p.m. 4-hour candle using the Fibonacci, just like this. What we can do is extend this on right line like this. What we will do next is simply use a vertical line to mark where the 1 a.m. 4-hour candle opens, so we can go to 1 minute and look for the sweep. As you can see, this is the 9 p.m. 4-hour candle and this is the 1 a.m. 4-hour candle. Now we are ready to go to 1 minute. The 4-hour starts after price crosses this vertical line. What we are looking for is the sweep followed by displacement and fair value gap to confirm we are reversing. You simply come before the 1 a.m. candle and wait for the sweep, either the high or the low. Now, as you can see, we have the sweep. What we are looking for is a displacement. Displacement is simply a change of character or break of structure. Let me show you. This is low, this is lower high, this is lower low, and this is lower high. Again, lower low. Then price changes character and it makes higher high, higher low, higher high. So price was going down, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then suddenly price changes character. This is the displacement. This proves that the trend has changed to the upside. So let's see what happens here. We have a change of character. Let me show you so you can understand it. This is a low, lower high, lower low. Let's say low. Yes, this one is lower low, and this is almost the new high. Let's see. Now we have a correct change of character. Let's see what happens. As you can see, this is also a fair value gap. Gaps are just simply an imbalances or a literal gaps, as you can see. Stop loss, the start of the imbalance or fair value gap. Now you can target the 50% of the candle, which is this line, or you can target the candle high, because as we talked about, every candle has a liquidity low and high. Now the price took the liquidity low. Now we are going up. to take the liquidity from the high. But you should keep in mind, price sometimes will only go to 50%, something like this. Then change trend again, but we will trust it and target the candle high, the 4-hour candle high, like this. Let's see what happens. As you can see, we are active. Price always gives many chances. As you can see, we could have entered again. Yeah, we can enter here again. As you can see, let me zoom in. Stop loss below the first fair value gap candle where the candle started, and take profit. Same thing. You can break even the first one and be risk free. You can re-entry again to keep going higher. As you can see, this one turned to be a loss. Never mind, we can continue. And take profit hit. Let me show you one more example that already happened this last week. So you can understand how powerful is this setup. This is Euro USD Friday, December 12th. We will do the same thing. Mark the high and the low of the 9 p.m. candle. Use the vertical line to know where this candle closes and where the next candle begins. Then we can go to 1 minute. Now keep in mind the candle closed around here, as you can see. The candle closed after price crosses this vertical line. We have the first entry. We could not, for example, enter this one. That is okay. Price already hit the 50%. You waited and price came back to take liquidity again, and price gave you another chance to enter. This is a simple setup, simple price action. You can literally do this every day for a couple hours, 1 hour to 2 hour. Target the low of the 4-hour candle, the 9 p.m. 4-hour candle. As you can see, this setup only took 1 hour and 22 minutes. Very simple. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like it and share your thoughts in the comments below, especially if you have tried backtesting this setup. Thank you for watching.